Well, the weather may not show it, but it is fall in Wisconsin, and Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is sharing 2 soup recipes that are perfect for a chilly fall day. Hi, Angie.
Hi guys, can you believe it's November already? But this is one of my favorite seasons for cooking because I love making comforting foods with beef. We have so many great beef cuts that work perfectly in those low, slow soup recipes that you can make that make the house just smell wonderful. So today I actually am going to show you 2 of my family's favorite soup recipes that I've been making for quite a long time, and especially this time of year I fall into this routine of making these nice comforting soup recipes, perfect for these cold evenings, shorter nights, when it's getting dark earlier and you just want to feel good and have a great, nice, easy family meal. The first soup recipe is a perfect weeknight meal because it's only a 25-minute start to finish recipe. So I start with lean ground beef. I used ground sirloin. That way I didn't have to drain any drippings. I browned it in my stock pot, and then I added 2 cups of water, 4 cups of beef stock, a can of stewed tomatoes, actually the Italian style or Italian flavored stewed tomatoes, a cup and a half of frozen mixed vegetables, and then a cup of elbow noodles or any kind of macaroni that you like, a smaller kind. So then bring it to a boil, turn it down, simmer it about 10 minutes till your noodles are about done, and then secret ingredient, beef smoked sausage. So this is half of 1 ring of a beef smoked sausage. Just sliced it up, put it in there, and you're gonna just put that in the last 3 minutes, and oh my goodness, it gives it such a great added kick of beef flavor. So this is called our beefy harvest soup. What says fall better than this? A nice beefy harvest soup, hot warm meal, and it's quick, 25 minutes, so you can make it on a weeknight easily after work or after school. Second recipe is my beef barley soup recipe. So I actually started with chuck roast. So this is about a 2 1/4, 2.5 pound chuck roast, and I chunked it up, diced it up into nice 1-inch bite-sized pieces. But of course you could just buy stew meat from the supermarket, perfectly fine. You want to start with about 2 pounds of beef, and then I browned it in my stock pot. And I did it in batches. So I did half of the beef in a little extra virgin olive oil at a nice and really hot burner, so it sizzled and got that caramelization. Took that beef out, did the second batch of beef in the same pot. So I got it nice and browned up, caramelized. Then I added some carrots, so about 3 large carrots, diced up, 1 large yellow onion, about 3 potatoes, and then half a cup of barley, and about 6 cups of beef stock or beef broth, another cup of water, and then for my seasonings I just have 1 bay leaf, a cup of teaspoon of kosher salt, 1.5 teaspoons of a seasoned salt, and then a little dried thyme. That is it. Mix all that together. Put the lid on, simmer it on low, so nice low simmer, don't boil it. Simmer it on low for 2 hours. Then put in 1 can of diced tomatoes and let it go, let it simmer another hour. So this is kind of a long, slow simmering soup, but it is so worth it. And I like making this soup ahead of time, a day or 2 in advance, and then just pop it in the fridge and then pull it out and reheat it, warm it up for when you want to eat, and then add some crusty bread, a salad, and you have a delicious, delicious, my family favorite beef barley soup. So Wisconsin Beef Council website is beeftips.com. Click on As Seen on TV. You'll find these soup recipes plus a lot of other great recipes perfect for fall, all brought to you by the Checkoff, Wisconsin's beef farmers. So enjoy and have a great November, and hopefully I get to see you guys soon.